everybody. Right, I've had to do a part two. As I was going through doing the wreath, I heard my phone ringing on vibration. Even though I have pressed the do not disturb button, it was still ringing. So when I went to check the video, because somebody was trying to contact me, it automatically cut off the video, which I checked the do not disturb button, and for some reason it wasn't on like I'd put it on last time. So my apologies. So I've reset it to do not disturb again, and it was only just a number that I didn't recognize, and it came up on my phone as oh, I forgot what it said. I can't remember the first word it put. It put something, maybe a scam call. So I ignored it. I haven't rang it back or anything, because my phone does alert me if the number is potentially maybe a scam phone call. So and all I had left was to do was put in the ginkgo leaves and the conifer, just to dot around the edge. So I have done that while the phone was off, and put a few of the berries in. So this is our finished result from what I did of the tutorial today, where we've got our bow at the top and the bottom, our poinsettias in the triangle position, and our bell just hanging in the center with all our foliage, our ficus, these gold leaves, the bay leaves. Oh, it's thrown me this as the fern, the eucalyptus, and pine needles and thistles as well, and obviously the ginkgo leaves. So because it did that and threw me again, we only had about 2 minutes left, and I'd finished. So I just thought I'd just come back on and show you the finished result. And again, all I did was place in a few bits of the conifer on single picks around the outside, and these berries, just a few on the inside, and just the ginkgo leaves, and that was it. So my deepest apologies, guys. I do get frustrated when things like this happen, so because I don't like to do part one and part two when I'm doing a video. Excuse me. But unfortunately, probably I should have checked if the do not disturb button was on, and I didn't. So my deepest apologies. But again, I wanted to show you the finishing touches of it, and I think it looks absolutely beautiful, you know, in the pinks and the golds, and this would look lovely, especially on, you know, somebody who likes pinks with a bit of gold for Christmas. Who maybe some people have the pink decor for the Christmas tree, you know, how they decorate the Christmas tree, and maybe table arrangements or anything like that. My sister has pink, so pink, white and silver, so she likes that sort of thing. So I think if I had silver in it, she'd probably want it, but it's got gold in. I wanted to do one with gold and pink, and I think it looks pretty. So if you want to give it a go, you know, give it a go, guys, and add in some pink and gold tones of different, you know, shades, some bright, some metallic, some more of a champagne gold, you know, some of the baby pink, some of the vintage pink, and also cerise pink, you know, different tones, mix them up, and it will look absolutely beautiful. So please subscribe, share and like. Again, bring everybody along, let them see what, you know, different designs, maybe give them ideas and yourself ideas on something to create for a different colour, and have fun with it and enjoy, because I'm sure you're all doing a wonderful, wonderful job. So I won't be here tomorrow. It's my busy day. I have got 2 orders that I am going to be doing. And if my dear friend Sandra is watching, I am going to be starting your order tomorrow, my lovely. And I will be in contact with you once I've finished, or, you know, to show you some pictures if you like what you see, or if you wish to add some more things to it. And then I will also be doing a garland for another customer as well. So I will be quite busy. So have a wonderful weekend. I will be back on Tuesday next week. Again, I'm doing stuff for my new business. I've got some orders coming Monday for it to fill some more of my buckets up. So I think I've got about 6 more buckets spare to be filled, and then I'm leaving 10 of them empty for when I get in new stock, that I've got somewhere to put the new stock. So again, have a wonderful weekend, guys. Take care, all the best, and good health, and I will see you next week. Have a fabulous, fabulous weekend. Bye for now. Bye bye. Right, let's just have a quick close-up. So there's our wonderful bow in the pink and gold polka dots with the mesh ribbon, which hasn't got any wire in. Here is our really pretty poinsettias in the velvet as well as the glitter. Our conifer, our metallic fern in the large and the small. Our flocked pine needles with our ginkgo leaves, and then our what they call peacock feathers in the glittered gold. Our cypress leaves there as well, and our wonderful pink bay leaves there also, with our little thistles and our gold glittered and sequined eucalyptus. Our lovely orchid heads with the glitter on also, and our little beads that I've added in as well, and the bell that sits in the middle of the 2 tail ends, and the bow at the bottom as well, where I've placed in the poinsettia in between. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope that you give it a go and have fun, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. All the best. Take care. Bye for now. Bye-bye.